Buckle up and discover everything there is to know about blue diamonds, including some mysteries you never knew existed. If you like the color blue, we've got something special for you. Blue diamonds are among the world's rarest and most valuable stones, and it's easy to understand why. Blue diamonds are the Meryl Streeps of the diamond world. Stunning, fascinating, and just when you think they can't get any better, they surprise you with a new shade of color. So what makes blue gems blue? It's all because boron is present in their structural structure. Boron is a chemical element that's widely used in detergents and fertilizers. Yes, your lovely blue diamond is composed of the same material as your laundry detergent. Also, yes, this is the same boron that's used in the production of Pyrex glass and rocket fuel. So you might argue that blue diamonds are literally out of this planet. Don't worry, your blue diamond will not make your whites blue. Boron impurities give diamonds their distinctive blue color, and the more boron in the crystal structure, the deeper and richer the blue color. So the next time you do laundry, consider that you may be washing boron right off a blue diamond. Have you ever heard the phrase, as rare as a blue diamond? Blue diamonds, it turns out, are so rare that even discovering one is like hitting diamond-laden lightning. Blue diamonds are one of the rarest and most precious diamonds on the earth, with just a handful mined each year. So what is it about blue diamonds that makes them so valuable, and what mysteries do they hold? Let's explore. Okay, blue diamonds are rare, but how rare are we talking about, you may be wondering. Let's put it this way. The likelihood of discovering a blue diamond in a standard diamond mine is 1 in every 10,000 diamonds. That's like looking for a needle in a haystack, or a blue M&M in a bag of normal M&Ms. It's really rare. But before you pack your bags and travel to the next diamond mine in quest of blue diamonds, let's talk about how rare they are. Blue diamonds are extremely uncommon, accounting for less than 0.02% of all diamonds mined globally. In reality, only a few mines in the world produce blue diamonds, notably the Cullinan mine in South Africa and the Argyle mine in Western Australia. Blue diamonds are extremely precious due to their rarity, with prices exceeding millions of dollars for a single stone. The value of blue diamonds is governed by a number of characteristics, including their color intensity, size, and general quality. The more intense and saturated the blue hue, the higher the diamond's worth. Blue diamonds are the epitome of unique beauty, and their captivating color is unquestionably the star of the show. Stay tuned as we explore the numerous shades of this amazing creation. It is the variety of colors that distinguishes blue diamonds. Blue diamonds are available in a variety of tints and colors, ranging from light sky blue to deep dark navy blue. Not to mention the highly sought-after fancy vivid blue diamonds, which are the rarest and most costly of all blue diamonds. These diamonds are so vivid and powerful that they appear to have been dipped in the ocean on a bright day. And of course, uniqueness comes at a high price. At auction, a magnificent vivid blue diamond may easily cost millions of dollars. And if you think that's insane, consider this. Blue diamonds are so uncommon that scientists are examining them to understand more about the Earth's mantle and our planet's past. Scientists can learn more about the environment and procedures that generated blue diamonds by examining the mineral inclusions within them. Blue diamonds are like miniature time capsules containing information about our planet's past. Before we continue, did you like the video so far? And would you love to see more amazing jewelry videos? If yes, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Josephine's Blue Moon is found in South Africa in 2014. This magnificent blue diamond measures 12.03 carats and is considered one of the rarest in the world. It was auctioned off for a whopping $48.5 million, making it one of the most precious diamonds ever sold. The diamond's name is supposed to have been inspired by the fact that it was discovered on a full moon night, and it was named after the new owner's daughter. But hold on, there's more! Another noteworthy blue diamond is the Blue Heart Diamond. This beautiful stone, weighing 30.82 carats, was found in 1908 and has passed through the hands of several owners, including socialite and jewelry aficionado Marjorie Merriweather Post. The most surprising owner of the Blue Heart Diamond, however, was possibly the French jewel Cartier, who purchased it in 1910 and quickly sold it to an Argentinian woman who was passing through Paris at the time. What a crazy shopping expedition! Do you believe you've seen every color of blue? Consider again. Get ready to be captivated by Okavango Blue, the rarest and most stunning blue diamond ever discovered. If you thought this video was already amazing, just wait till you hear about the world's biggest blue diamond. The Cullinan mine in South Africa is known for producing some of the world's biggest diamonds. including a magnificent 20.46 carat blue diamond discovered in 2019. The Okavango blue stone, named after the river that passes through the diamond mine, is estimated to be worth millions of dollars. What's more astonishing is that the diamond was discovered by chance, since it was initially mistaken for a piece of quartz. Blue diamonds are frequently connected with monarchy and power. The French blue was a blue diamond owned by King Louis XIV of France. This diamond was afterwards cut into what is now known as the Hope Diamond, which is on exhibit at the Smithsonian Institution's National Museum of Natural History. Not only is the Hope Diamond gorgeous, but it's also thought to bring ill luck to anyone who acquires it. If you're superstitious, choose a less cursed diamond. Another interesting aspect about blue diamonds is that they frequently include minuscule amounts of boron in their crystal structure, which gives them their distinctive blue hue. The quantity of boron in the diamond controls the strength of the blue color, with some blue diamonds appearing purple or grayish blue. Blue diamonds may also be found in a variety of colors ranging from light blue to deep navy, and they're frequently graded based on the strength of their color. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to own a diamond that's so rare and expensive that it makes its way onto the Hollywood scene? Prepare to have your mind blown as we go into the realm of the Hollywood scene where blue diamonds have been highlighted. Blue diamonds are so valuable that they've made their way into Hollywood. Remember the Titanic movie's Heart of the Ocean necklace? That was indeed a blue diamond. The diamond in the film was a fictitious 56-carat stone that was claimed to have perished with the Titanic. However, the necklace was only a prop featuring a resin replication of a blue diamond. But it's still pretty great, right? Who wouldn't want to wear a necklace with a massive blue diamond in it? However, blue diamonds aren't just for actors and superstars. They've also been fashionable as engagement rings in recent years. A blue diamond engagement ring is the ideal way to demonstrate to your loved one that you are prepared to go the additional mile, or should we say the extra carat, to make them feel special. Furthermore, if you ever find yourself alone on a desert island and need to make a fire, you may simply use your blue diamond ring to reflect sunlight and spark a blaze. Talk about usefulness. Wow, these blue diamonds are worth a fortune, you may be thinking now. I'd like to get my hands on one. Hold your horses then. Blue diamonds are incredibly uncommon, and locating one is like finding a needle in a haystack. Furthermore, with costs that may potentially exceed millions of dollars, you'd need a substantial sum of money to even consider acquiring one. But, well, we should keep our dreams alive, shouldn't we? Blue diamonds were originally supposed to be cursed, believe it or not. The French blue, a huge blue diamond, was taken from the French crown jewels in the late 1600s. According to legend, anybody who had or wore the diamond would suffer misfortune or death. Think once again before owning a blue diamond. That's it for this video. What color diamond would you choose if you could choose any color? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.